What you want? What you want? Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently on my balcony on vacation in Florida, so I apologize for anything y'all may hear in the background. I'm going to start off with these Model 1's soft gel tips. They are etched on the inside and they are matte on the outside, so you can just attach them, paint them, off you go. I do have, I don't even know why I air quotes, sized them out, because I ain't wearing them. Here's the star of the show, y'all. Model 1s, as y'all know, I'm obsessed with Model 1s color cubes, in particularly their vinyl record color cubes. I recently completed my holy grail. I purchased all 8 of the vinyl records color cubes because I love them that much. Yes, I purchased them. I did not receive any of these as PR. So I've got a lot of money invested in this product, but I believe in it and I love them. So I went ahead and treated myself to one of their brand new spring slash summer collections. Look at this palette. This is a spring lover's wet dream. And up here at the top, you can mix your own colors. So literally the sky is the limit. You can, yeah, there are 21 colors in here, but you can mix and match, and they're so amazing. So this is Macaron Paradise, and of course it's loaded with a bunch of beautiful pastel colors. And oh yes, you also get a brush with every one of the palettes that you purchase, whether it's the 9 cube color palettes or the 21 color vinyl records. You do get a brush and they sort of collapse. I don't know why I call them collapse, but you can take off the cap and stick it on the back and you have a full size brush. Oh, I just cannot get over this absolutely stunning palette. So of course I had to do all 4 nails in a different color, but I did want to sort of quickly touch on how to prime your brand new brushes. Of course you can dip it in alcohol, which I will do, but I never just stop there. I never just dip my brand new bristles in alcohol and then go straight into product. I will always prime my bristles with base coat and sort of work my brush through the base coat, get those bristles nice and supple, right? Okay, so y'all see on the left side here of this tip, there's a dark spot. So I don't want y'all to think, as I'm applying this unbelievably beautiful blue pastel cream, that it's super shadowy. Even though these are pastels, y'all, they cover phenomenally well. They are so super pigmented, and I'm using the absolute least amount of product. So what you see there on the left side under this tip, that's just that really dark area. And oh, by the way, if you are only going to use one brush, now of course I have 10 or 12 of these brushes, but I decided to only stick with one. You're going to be stuck using that one brush until you finish the color that you're working on. Of course, I'm doing 4 different colors using one brush, so there was no like cleaning my brush, going on to the next color. I just thought I'll just do each color basically individually. But it is a good idea to have multiple brushes if you're using multiple colors. I think I need to have one specifically for like the glitter polishes and one for, you know, the blacks, ones for the whites, ones for like super pigmented reds. Yeah, all the brushes. And by the way, Model 1's gel application brush is phenomenal in itself. Look at the coverage. Y'all's 2 coats. So here I am. I'm going to clean this brush, you guys. So I'm going to wipe off all my excess product, and then I'm going to pick up some base coat, and I am going to basically bounce my brush. And as I bounce, that base coat is going to push up the product out of those bristles. You can see it pushed all that blue up out the top, and then I can wipe it off, and then I can move on to my next color. But if I wasn't going to move on to my next color, I would sort of reshape my brush like I'm doing right here. I would recap it and I would store it away in a drawer. That's how I would store it, right there. Beautiful. So now I will go on back into a new color, and this is a bit of like a peach leaning pink, I think. A little bit of a peachy pink. So before I head on into what's happening here in this little toot, I did want to mention that, of course, I have a discount code to Model 1s, and if you have followed me for, oh, I got some on my finger. If you followed me for any amount of time, y'all already know that Model 1's solid cream gels are my top favorite formula for solid creams, or for puddings or clays or whatever the heck folks are calling them now, brands are calling them now. My absolute favorite formula. They are so creamy and dreamy, and I adore them. Yes, I do PR for Model 1s, and yes, I also receive a little bit of commission when my affiliate link, which is in the description box, is used. But don't think for a second that I accept PR and I just continually push the product on y'all if I don't truly believe in that product. Okay, so let me just clear that up right now. Of course, I will accept PR from a company that I've never worked with before, just to try it out, you know, just to share my experience with you guys and to let y'all know whether or not I believe that it would be a good investment, right, for y'all to spend them coins with XYZ company. But if I don't believe in the product, that's it. Like, I'm not gonna continue, you know, to do PR for them. I will always come back to Model 1s, and I will always recommend Model 1s, because straight up, look at this freaking yellow. Look at this pastel yellow and the coverage, okay? What is happening? This is the first coat. Look at it. Just soak it all in. Oh, I just freaking love it so much. It's amazing. So look at these colors. Again, there are 3 zhuzhis, okay? There seems to be like a shimmer up here on the left side and 2 glitters. Again, mix these. Mix one of these glitters in with one of these pastels. You know what I'm saying? Just get crazy. Get crazy. So what we're going to do is a little bit of an abstract-y design. Here are my 4 colors, and I'm just obsessed with this color palette too. Who doesn't love a pastel skittle? So here they all are. They are base coated. I'm sorry, they're top coated. And these are my stamping products. I actually wind up not using that big fat dude over there, but I do stick to my Maniology, yep, ice cube stamper. And I'm going to use these 2 plates. This plate right here, I got, oh, pardon me, I got in a recent Shein haul. And then this plate right here, I received in a recent What's Up Beauty haul. This is a Nicole Diary plate. And I love every image on both of these plates. So let me give y'all a little bit of peel porn. I don't know what porn music sounds. Yeah, I don't know. I'm terrible. Look at the peel. Who don't love some good old peel porn? Yes. So I do have all of these She Modern sticky stamping polishes, but honestly, none of these colors were like screaming my name when I was looking down at my pastel-y palette down here that I'm working on. So I stuck with black and white sticky stamping polish from She Modern, which, by the way, I also have a discount code to She Modern. You can save 10% using code TARA10. The link to that, I'm talking a lot. The link will, of course, be in the description box below. So I'm just going to do a lot of plopping down polish, a lot of scraping, a lot of picking up, and a lot of mashing. And at the end of the day, this is what I came up with. This is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this little toot. Please consider trying Model 1's solid cream formula. If I, honest to God, did not believe in it, if I didn't love it so much, I would not be singing its praises every freaking chance I got. But you guys, the formula's amazing. The color selection, and you can also get them individually, not just big old palettes, but individual pots. So again, this is Macaron Paradise. Let's just look at this one more time. One more again, look at it. It is so beautiful. And by the way, Model 1's out here killing it with the packaging and the branding and the marketing. There is no other brands doing what Model 1's out here be doing. Thank you, Model 1's, for being so amazing. Again, you can mix 20 million, trillion, quintillion colors up here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this sort of abstracty, type of a design for spring because I love it. I'm obsessed. And now I have vinyl record number 9 in my collection, and I'm just so thrilled. So let me know which palette is your favorite. Let me know if you've tried one of these palettes before. I do hope that you will come back. I hope you hit that subscribe button. I hope you leave me a thumbs up, and I will see y'all again in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.